What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right here we have a Dewalt hammer drill. I did not buy this drill. This drill was actually a loan to me from my father-in-law's friend. So anyways, this is his drill. This is a hammer drill. The difference between a hammer drill and a regular drill is simply hammering in what you have to do. So basically, you're going to have more power with this drill than your regular standard drill. Now, we was using the regular standard drill, and we did install two moldings. We installed two moldings, and yeah, you know, it was a little bit of a struggle. I broke one of the concrete bits. I actually broke one of the concrete bits. Yeah, life, right? So we decided to say, you know what? You know, we already put into, so let's go ahead and see if we can borrow a hammer drill from one of his friends. So right here you have a regular drill mode. Let me focus in better so y'all can see. Okay, so hopefully y'all can see that. So right there you have the regular drill, and here you see that hammer. We're gonna flip it right onto the hammer, and that's the hammer. Okay, now what is mine is the battery. I got like 39,000 batteries. All right. Let's see if this bit works. And that drill bit was the one. Want to go on the concrete? This is the bit, and this is the drill you need. Okay, you guys, so my final thoughts on this drill. This drill is amazing. I'm assuming down here, I don't have no instructions. Like I said, this is a loaner from a friend of a family. So when you hit this button right here, the light gets brighter when it's on, but I didn't feel no difference. You see how the light changes? But I didn't feel no difference in the hammering of the drill. And once again, if you want to go in drill mode, you have to turn it into the drill mode like that. And then if you want to go in hammer mode, you put it back in hammer mode. And then you have your other settings. So this is a good drill. This is not just a hammer drill alone. This is a hammer drill. This is a regular drill. And it does a good job. As you can tell, I went right into that concrete without any troubles. I was trying to use the regular drill on the concrete. Was trying to be cheap, trying to hurry up and get it done. But unfortunately, I broke a drill bit, and the drill was burning the battery real fast. This is a powerful piece of machine. I do recommend this. Luckily for me, Home Depot sent me a 10% discount coupon in the mail. So I might go to Home Depot and browse around, and I might find this thing. Other than that, if I do get it, I might get it later on this year. I did just get the small impact drill, and I'm still having fun with that drill. But I don't really need to hammer anymore. So I might not need it, but we'll see. I might get it anyway, just to have a hammer drill around. You never know. You might need it one day. Other than that, this is a good product. I do recommend it. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe.